Paphos seafront, rather a blustery day. Lovely and warm, but the sea's kicking up a bit of a mess around here, seaweed everywhere. Just a quick walk on the front. See what I've been seeing. Okay, so as you can see, a lot of seaweed washed up. There was a right storm last night. It's still quite blustery today. Years ago, maybe 15 or 20 years ago, there used to be a sea wall here that people would sit on the wall, and for whatever reason they decided to remove the sea wall, and the result was that every winter time, when the weather is really bad, January or February, that the sea would come crashing over here. This would definitely look like a disaster zone, as the place would be covered in rocks and gravel and sand, not just seaweed like this, which is a mild Mediterranean storm. Racing. I love the sea when it's calm, but I also love the sea when it's acting up a little bit. Tripping up over seaweed here. This road is actually closed today, for obvious reasons, I suppose. You can see the rocks, stones, the amount of water that's been forced up over the night. Must be a nightmare for the businesses on here. Bins blown over, water everywhere. Keep their own place clean and tidy. So, I don't think today anybody will be swimming in the sea. Only the foolhardy would venture into that. Look, it's the 1st of December. It's about 18 degrees. It's now chilly on the night. Definitely need a jacket or a jumper, but daytime temperatures are okay, like a nice warm summer's day in the UK. Not what the kids are looking for, stuff washed up, including sunbed covers and all sorts. And of course what normally would be the swimming area is not really suitable for swimming this morning. sea's coming to greet me here. Oh, Paphos, 1st of December, bit blustery.
Warm though.
Yeah, well.